We're here on a construction site in Illinois. What you do in the minutes and hours after the accident can have a major impact on both your health and your legal rights. My name is Zach Anderson. I'm a co-owner at 217 Law and an attorney and the former union and non-union construction worker. I really enjoy helping construction workers across central Illinois who get hurt at work. First thing you should do after any construction accident or injury on a construction site is to seek medical attention. Um, no reason to try to be a tough guy. Even if you think the injury is minor, um, injuries can get a lot worse over time. And so getting medical care immediately could be helpful to make sure that later treatment isn't denied, while also creating a good record of when and how your injury occurred. Be sure to report your injury to your employer as soon as possible. Under the Workers' Compensation Act, injured workers are typically required to uh, tell their employer about their injury within 45 days. It doesn't matter if you do so verbally or in writing, although best practice is certainly to do so in writing. That way, there's a paper trail of when you issued the notice in case that 45-day notice uh, is later disputed by the insurance company or by your employer. It's also important, if you can, to document what happened. Take pictures, take videos. Construction sites change quickly. Equipment can move, materials get moved, conditions can change very quickly. And so, documenting that, taking photographs, taking videos, etc., can really help later in case you ever have to recreate the scene. Construction sites often involve multiple contractors working together. Um, because of that, it can also be important to at least know which other companies are working at the time of your injury. And if you don't know, try to find out. I've had cases before where um, somebody gets injured on a job site, but they don't actually know who hurt them. They don't even know who the company is, and that just it makes things very, very challenging down the road. Federal safety rules also can come into play. OSHA regulations require construction companies to follow certain safety standards, and so when those safety standards are ignored or violated, they can become relevant in determining responsibility for the accident and assessing liability. Construction accidents can involve very serious injuries, and understanding your rights early in the process can make all the difference in the world. If you're hurt on a construction site in Illinois, in central Illinois anyway, and have any questions about your rights, feel free to reach out. Like I said earlier, I'm a former construction worker, and I know how dangerous job sites can be, and I'd really enjoyed the opportunity to work together.